Well, here we go again.
It's going to be snowing 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 all the way up. So we might get a foot of snow.
And it's the first day of spring.
So we ain't going to pair no. Because we got a store right up the street.
That's lucky.
And they stay open 24/7. You know.
If you're trying to catch snowflakes.
Plus Cameron Road, you know, they keep it clean. Cat wants to get... She wants to be on TV.
Riders are the same.
River. That's that Little River. Little River used to be Little River, and then she done got a little bigger. River won't want to be there.
You catch one? You catch it? You sure are trying. Bless your heart, honey. Wow, this is the first day of spring in Louisville, Kentucky. It's almost 7 o'clock p.m. It's still coming down, y'all. I think they're calling this storm Toby. So here we go again. We'll check the inches that fall in, you know, a little bit when it gets dark. So it'll look interesting.
Flash flood watches in effect here tonight, and we know that the recent history here in Santa Barbara County, right? The big rain that recently...
Well, it's 8:05 on March the 20th. It's the first day of spring. And we have a little snowstorm going on in Louisville, Kentucky. This is the southwest end of town. This is Cornelia Oldham speaking for Cornelia TV Presents. I thought that last snow dance was going to be our last snow dance, but go figure, it didn't turn out like that. So here we go again. And it's been coming down for a minute, you know. Actually, it started around 3. I started paying real attention around 4-ish, 5-ish. And then, of course, then I grabbed the camera because I saw a kitty cat scratching at the windows because, you know, it was coming down harder than it is right now, but it's just the way it is. Well, it's the second day of spring, and this is the second day of a little bit of a storm we're having in Louisville, Kentucky. It's March the 21st. That's the top of my car. Got quite a bit last night. Let's go out and measure and see how deep it got. There goes a brave soul. Okay, now we're in the backyard. It got pretty deep, as you can see. Look for yourself. That's my boot view. And there's our little friend. She ventured out in the cold. She going back in. Ah, she know what time it is. These animals are not stupid. I be trying to tell y'all. Okay, this is the all shoe review. I know y'all like my boots, so I thought I'd show up closer. Second day of spring. It's probably 9:30-ish in Louisville, Kentucky. Cornelia TV presents the second day of snow. I know it's cold, ain't it, baby? That's our other little cat. Carl fed her, so she's trying to figure out. Ooh, I know. Yeah. You go back in the shed. I know. I'm getting ready to go back in my crib. So as you can see, spring is trying to spring, but winter's holding on. It's like the battle of the seasons. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed today's presentation. It was different seeing, the seasons kind of battle each other. But happy spring and happy day. And see you soon. Bye-bye.